Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you the way how to use the Google Classroom. First, you need to create class, and then second, you need to fill up any information like name, room for your class. And these are another guide from this application to let you know more about these apps. And these are stream, classwork, and then people. Here there are teacher and student. You can add another teacher and also another student if you have. And then these are marks if you have already a mark for your students. And here are the code, which is the class code. If you want to invite another student from other classes or anyone, you can just simply give them the class code, so they will automatically going into this Google Classroom. So let's just greeting the new students into this Google Classroom group. So if you want to give your student work, you just simply go to the classwork and go to the create button. There are so many types of work that you can give to your student. It's the assignments, quiz, and so on. And here are the people. Like I said before, there are teachers and students. And if you want to add another teacher, you can just simply click the add button. And if you want to add more student, you can just simply click or enter the email of your student. This is really crucial for you to know your students' emails, so it will be easier for you to add them to the group. And you can also customize your Google Classroom page and choosing which cover that you want to use on your Google Classroom page. There are so many designs, so as for me, I'm choosing this one, the shoes one, as I will be teaching the physical and fitness. I think that's all from me. I think that's the only tutorial, the way that I would like to tell you. Thanks for watching.